I think that the Premio is overpriced. I mean, someone can tell me, well, it gives you value for money. Yeah, value for money in terms of what? I mean, apart from driving this thing from home to work, work to home, go visit the old people, what value do you get out of this car? It's just like I said, it's like this starlet. So I personally think that buying a four-seater sedan at 40 million is not really value for money. Hi, Arthur here once again. I hope you're doing well. I hope your day is okay. Today is the 16th day of 2023, so we're still in the month of January. Anyway, I want to talk about the overpriced Primo. The Primo is overpriced, whichever the Toyota Corona Primo or just this Primo, which one, the one you call the Primo new model, they are both overpriced, and I feel it's not worth it. And both cars have alternatives. You're going to be buying a Primo, buy a Carina, the old Primo, what we call the old Primo, the Toyota Corona Primo. Instead of buying the Toyota Corona Primo at more than 10 million, go buy a Carina at less than 10 million. You get, they are the same car. It's just that the Primo has a brand. The Carina is not really like that much. Now, when we come to the new Toyota Primo, the actual Toyota Primo, because the other one is actually the Toyota Corona Primo. Now, when we come to the Toyota Primo, the one that the one that was made from 2001 and above, because remember the Toyota Corona Primo was stopped manufacturing of it, or Toyota stopped manufacturing this Toyota Corona Primo in 2001. Then they started the Toyota Primo. This one also has alternatives. Instead of buying the Toyota Primo, you could actually buy the Axio, you could buy the Allion, you could buy the Corolla. All those cars are comfortable, and they will probably even give you better mileage, because most of the Toyota Primos have 1.8cc engines. The Allion has a 1.5, the Corolla has a 1.5, the Axio has a 1.5 as well. So they will all give you better fuel mileage. You'll still feel the comfort that you would feel if you were seated in a Primo. The only difference you don't have is that this bulky Toyota Primo body, the recognition that Primo drivers get. The other thing you will not get is you will not get the attention of thieves. Ababi bagala nyo Primo. Nayate Allion bayinza obutagitegeera. Yet everything that is in a Primo, paka mu Allion. Okitegeera. So I kind of think buying a Primo at 40 million doesn't really make sense. Just buy an Allion at a less price, or a Xio at a less price, or a Corolla at less price. And I find that the Corolla actually might outlive the Primo. It just has a name. I'm putting the final verdict. Primo, Mojisera nyo the dealers. And there is no reason for you to kusera us. And by the way, it's the forces of demand and supply. If so many people actually want to buy this Primo, even the dealers are going to overprice it. If the number of people demanding for Primo goes down, nabo bajja kusala ku sente esobole okutambula. That's how it works. But the demand is too much, the supply is less. Nga bongeza. Buy the Allion, buy the Axio, buy the Corolla, and you'll be sorted.
I am Arthur for the love of cars. I'm passionate about cars, and I want to make sure that you, your brother, your sister, your friend, a family member, a relative, distant cousin, you don't make mistakes when you buy cars. This channel is filled with a lot of information to help you know what you need to know before you buy your next car. However, if you don't want to go through all this information, I provide a service called pre-purchase inspection. And we come and make sure that you get a good deal when you're buying a car. We come and make sure that we inspect the car to make sure it's in tip-top condition, but we also make sure that you buy at the right price. Next week, I also sell tracking devices. I also sell car alarm system. The tracking devices za mitwala 3 kwanda 5, car alarm system ya mitwala 2 pre-purchase inspection service ya mitwala aga go car, and you save. Trust me, when you use Arthur to inspect the car you're going to buy, chances are high you will save some millions of shillings.